Hi everyone, welcome to our Subiksham channel. How are you all? Today in this video we are going to talk about the unknown secrets of our kitchen, that is about flaxseed seeds. Flaxseed seeds actually we have forgotten now in our modern days. It is one of the oldest crops. These are the two types, brown and golden, which are equally nutritious. A typical serving for a ground flax seeds is just 1 teaspoon only, that is of 7 grams. It increases our body temperature. Serve it in a very moderate level only. Just 1 teaspoon can provide a good amount of protein, fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. It is a rich source of some vitamins and minerals. Come, let us see just 1 teaspoon of flaxseed seeds, what and all it contains. Calories, proteins, carbs, fiber, total fat, saturated fat, monounsaturated fat, polyunsaturated fat, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium. Yes, all these are just in 1 teaspoon of flaxseed seeds only. Flaxseed seeds' health benefits are mainly attributed to omega-3 fatty acids, fiber contains. Omega-3 is very essential for the brain development. Flaxseed seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid ALA. It is proven to have a heart benefits and are linked to a lower risk of stroke. Flaxseed seeds help in preventing the breast and prostate cancer. Do you know this? And also other type of cancers. It promotes regular bowel movements and can improve your digestive health. It can help lower cholesterol and may play an important role in providing heart health. It is proven to lower blood pressure and are especially helpful for those with a high blood pressure patients. Flaxseed seeds are a good source of proteins and can be an alternate protein source for people who do not eat meat. Flaxseed seeds may lower blood sugar due to the insoluble fiber content. They can be a very beneficial addition to the diet of people with diabetes. Flaxseed seeds keep you full for longer and may help you to manage your weight by controlling your appetite. Now let us see how and all you can use this flaxseed seeds. You can just add them to the water and drink it as part of your daily fluid intake. Drizzling flaxseed seed oil as a dressing on your salads, sprinkling ground flax seeds over your hot or cold breakfast cereals, mixing them into your favorite yogurt, adding them into your cookies, etc. Ground flax seeds provide the greatest health benefits. If using flax seeds oil, remember to store it in a cool, dark places only, and while cooking, you just have to cook only at a lower temperature so that to retain its nutrition properties. We have to be also aware about the precautions of flaxseed seeds. Flaxseed seeds are safe for most people when consumed only in a moderate amount. But there are some things to keep in our mind before you take flaxseed seeds to lose your weight. Don't consume raw or undried flaxseed seeds. Not only will they cause indigestion, they may also cause toxic compounds. Flaxseed seed supplements should be avoided during pregnancy because they trigger hormonal side effects. If you're using flaxseed seeds in any form, make sure that you're drinking plenty of water. If you're not hydrated enough when you use flaxseed supplements, your body won't be able to digest the excess fiber in your body properly. So, then from today, you're going to add flaxseed seeds in your grocery list, I guess, and take it in a moderate level.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you.